that just means I did something right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Shanny Stevens. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on this channel, and I also happen to be a makeup artist. So if you're interested in any of that, definitely come back and watch more videos and subscribe before you leave. So in today's video, it's sponsored by HerGivenHair. They sent me over this Upart wig, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I twist down my hair so that it's protected under the Upart wig. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I thin out my unit, because one of you guys asked me in one of my previous hair videos, that was a curly unit, how I thinned out the wig, and I never showed you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I blend in my hair with the Upart wig. Again, thank you so much HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video. I know I kind of like speed past the fact that it's sponsored by HerGivenHair, but y'all should know HerGivenHair is a consistent sponsor here on my channel, and I really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get into this video, because I've been told that I can be a little long-winded. So let's go ahead and get into me doing what I do to this unit, okay? So the first thing I'm going to start off with is adding some leave-in moisturizer in my hair, because I did just get out of the shower from washing my hair, which is why it's in like sections and everything. So I'm just going to spray this leave-in conditioner all over my hair and go into detangling my hair with the Denman brush. So once the majority of my hair is all detangled, I'm going to go in with this Miracles Curls Mousse, and I'm going to use this as a styling agent so that my curls can like pop. I don't want to put too much product in my hair because of the two different textures in my hair. For one, a lot of product weighs my hair, not weighs it down, it just makes it take forever to dry. So I don't want to do all of that. I just want to put one product in my hair and be done with it. Plus I don't have that much patience, okay? So and keep in mind, I still have to like do the wig. So yeah, I'm not doing all of that. So I'm just putting one product in my hair. Dang, my voice kind of got deep. Anyways, putting one product in my hair, I'm drenching it. The curls are starting to pop and form a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go in, do a twist, and once I get to the last like 4 inches of my hair, I'm going to do a braid, because I don't know, for some reason, once I get to this particular spot, twist does not work on my hair at all. It will puff up and not form at all. So I have to braid the rest of my hair in order for it to form into a wave or a curl. So I'm just taking my time and separating my hair into 3 sections, and I'm just going to start braiding. So once I reach the last maybe 4 inches of my hair, the ends that are pretty much, heat trained, I'm going to take a curling rod and twist my ends around it. No, I'm not wearing my hair out, but if I need to, I want to make sure there's some type of curl at the end of my hair that meshes well with the rest of my hair. Okay, so one side of my hair is already twisted down, so now I'm just gonna go and section off my leave out and bend to knot that part out of the way, and also detangle it so that when I'm done doing everything that I need to do with twisting down my hair and the placement of the Upart, I'll come back to this part and twist my leave out down. Alright you guys, so I'm pretty much done with my whole twist braid down process. Please excuse my voice, I am a little tired. And please excuse the dog barking. I don't know who just moved in, but they keep their dog outside, and it barks literally all day. Anyways, now all I have to do is twist down my leave out, but before I do that, I'm going to put the wig back on my head, and I'm going to show you guys how I thin out my units, because Usually when I get units, they're way too thick for me and a little too heavy for my hair. So I like to just thin them out a bit. And I know in my last video of me wearing a curly unit, one of you guys asked me how did I thin out the unit, because I told y'all, I think I told y'all in that video that I thinned out that unit, but I didn't show you guys. So in today's video, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys, because I am doing another wash and go. So I'm going to keep it just like this. I did go in and wash it, condition it, and I'll link that video of me washing a curly unit. It's not this unit, but it is a video of me washing and doing what I usually do to my units when I first get them. What I typically like to do is go in the middle of the unit. I'm just going to go all the way over to this side. Basically, like I'm parting it like a half up, half down sound. Basically, y'all see how much hair this is? This just is a lot of hair. Not that, and I don't mind it at all, because I wouldn't want my unit to come with 4 tracks missing. I just like to customize the thickness because I just do. I feel like it looks better when I customize my unit. I'm going to take like 4 layers of tracks and braid them out of the way. And I like to braid them out of the way first because I'm going to take the hair back down and see how the thickness looks before I actually cut the hair out. So this is basically what I'm doing. I'm just taking 4 layers of tracks. Is this 4? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 layers of tracks, and I'm gonna do that all the way around. All right, and I'm just gonna braid this out of the way. And you don't want to do a tight braid, you want to do a loose braid, so it's not like making the wig cap smaller. That's the first braid. All right, so this is the other side of the wig. And I really hope this is not confusing y'all. If it is, just leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you because I do feel like this is kind of confusing. But yeah, I'm gonna braid that other side. So now I'm just gonna take the top part of this wig back down and put it back on my head to see what the thickness is looking like. See? It looks a lot more realistic. Honestly, I might just keep the braid in there. Y'all see? This one makes it look more realistic. You have to go in and customize your wig. So this is the thickness of the wig, taking out 4 layers. And I think I want to take out like 2 more layers because I just feel like it's still a little too full for my personal preference. All right, now that my unit is all good to go, I'm gonna go in and oil my scalp because you know you gotta make sure your scalp is oiled. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up doing that, and then after I'm done oiling my scalp, I'm going to take down my leave out section and twist down that part and basically do the same thing that I did to the twist that's going to be under my wig. So I'm just going to twist it down and then put the ends around a curling rod. But that didn't work. I didn't show that on camera because it just didn't look good. My hair didn't dry all the way, so it was kind of frizzy. Yeah, so basically what I did differently from what I'm showing you guys was do a bantu knot at the ends of my hair instead of the curling rod that I'm showing you guys. So I'm gonna come back in a couple days and show you guys how everything came together. All right, I'm back a couple days later. So this is how I've pretty much been wearing my hair. To blend my leave out, of course y'all see me do a twist out with a bantu knot at the beginning or the end, whatever you want to call it, but a twist out with a bantu knot to make sure the ends are curled because my hair is heat damaged. So I loosed that out and then I took my leave out. It's just sitting on top and it's not like blended. So to blend my leave out with the wig, I'll just take a strand and twist it with the wig like that. And I just pretty much did that every single time I put it on in the morning yes, I do take this wig off at night. I have slept in this wig because when did I sleep in it? I think I just fell asleep with it on, honestly. And it felt like a pillow. So that's how I've been blending the wig. Well, my hair with the wig. Just twisting my hair around the strands of the wig. Same thing with the hair up here. I'll just take the wig and twist it like that. And it doesn't look like there's a twist, it just looks, I don't know, it looks like the wig. My coworkers didn't even know I had a wig on, so that just means I did something right, because I don't want you to know I have a wig on, you know what I'm saying? So when I do wear a wig, I'm always going to try to make it look as realistic as possible. My hair is blended really nicely with the wig, as you guys can see. One thing that I would recommend, if your hair is very dark like mine, I would recommend getting the hair dyed a darker black, because the unit, I can tell the difference in color up against my hair. I want to make sure everything is covered. So yeah, this is how the unit is looking. Anyways, let me go ahead and lay down my edges, and I'm using the 24-hour edge tamer. This is the extra mega hold, and I'm just going to lay down my edges. If you guys want updates on the hair, you can just comment down below and ask me, and I'll let you know, or just keep a lookout for my monthly vlogs. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring yet another video. And for my viewers, my subscribers, my supporters, I love y'all, and I will see you guys very soon. And if you haven't already seen this video on the screen, definitely check it out. And like I said, I will see you guys really, really soon. Love y'all.